If your skin is sensitive, fragile, then calendula should be an active ingredient in your skincare product. Now, calendula are bright flowers which range from orange to yellow. Now, calendula is derived from a Latin name calendae, which means little clock or little calendar, because of their long blooming period. Now, Calendula officinalis is hydrating, soothing, and a good skin healer. Calendula is cooling, hydrating, and a skin healer. In irritated, sensitive skin, it instantly calms down the skin. In acne-prone skin, calendula works best as a wound healer. It locks in moisture and rejuvenates the skin. It also heals minor cuts and wounds and burns. Now, in my services, calendula is one ingredient which I completely trust when I'm treating sensitive, aging, and matured skin. This is Shilpa Sawant, owner of Zania, and your personal care wellness expert. Do engage with me and check with me on your skincare and hair care queries, and I will be happy to assist you. Please do like, share, and follow my page. Thank you.